What the hell is that brightness? I think the sun's actually out. So what we have on tap is a quick little project for Isaac's car. One of his Christmas presents was to replace the $20 piece of crap Amazon special. Oh no. Yeah. These things are worth what you pay for them, which is not very much. So we're going to put in a center console from, I think it's pronounced Nenno Products, and they specialize in making consoles for several different police interceptor type vehicles. So I'm going to yank this guy out, and then I'll have Isaac drag out his new one, and we'll get it set in place. And it's literally just held in with 4 self-tappers. So we'll get it set in place, see what it looks like, and then we'll go over the quality difference. So there it is, set in place. It already looks 1,000,000 times more better. Almost like it belongs. Pardon the dog towel. So this comes with these vinyl flaps that cover up the tab, and we're just going to put a couple of self-tappers in the rear flange, and then same thing in the front here. Goes without saying, use a little common sense. Don't put a 2 or 3 inch screw in there, because the drive shaft is underneath there, and it's an aluminum drive shaft too. Put a nice self tapper into your drive shaft, or if it even rubs on there, and cut through that bad boy like an axe through a birthday cake, I tell you. Let me show you the inside. It's got a pretty nice hinge, steel. This you can actually lean on, put your whole weight on it. It's got a document sleeve in the lid, which is pretty cool. The first time my buddy leaned on this piece of crap, we were going to get coffee one day, and this stupid thing broke. And then another dude leaned on it from the opposite side, and that's when it became the full 2-piece model. So that's what we wound up with. A couple of self-tappers, about a ½ inch long. You can just tell from back here it already looks a lot more professional than the Amazon special. Front 2 self-tappers. It's not going anywhere. Again, I know some people actually put these things in their cars and they don't attach them at all. Even though this thing doesn't weigh very much, I think that's kind of silly. Having unsecured stuff in the interior of your car is very dangerous. The sides of the console do go down further than the front and back edge to help it kind of make contact with the floor a little bit. Carpet lined, got a little limit strap on the lid. I think it's gonna work just fine. These are about $145 off their website, Factory Direct. If I can, which I'm not very good at, I will try and put a link in the description. So if anybody has any questions, comments, or concerns, fire away.